Alrighty, so up next we have the dumbbell push press. Now, the first thing I always want to say is when we are doing a push press, this should always be a heavier load than if we are doing a strict press. When we're doing our push press, we're going to be in a somewhat neutral position. You can go slightly out, even up to 45 degrees, generally closer to neutral. From here, it is a hip dip and drive. So we're dipping the hips, pushing the knees forward, then we drive up overhead. So hip dip and drive. We want to make sure, guys, when we're doing this hip dip, that we're imagining our back is sliding down a wall. So I'm pushing the knees forward, my chest stays proud, and then I drive up. Do not push the hips back and then drive up. This will place an unnecessarily, potentially dangerous load through that lumbar if we start to push the hips back. So imagine the back is sliding down the wall, and then we drive up high above the head. Hip dip and drive is our cue.